Hey everyone! Ever heard of Forex? It stands for foreign exchange. Sounds complicated, right? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Imagine a giant marketplace where currencies like dollars, euros, and yen are traded. That's Forex. It's like a 24/7 party, and everyone's invited. From big banks to everyday folks, people are buying and selling currencies, hoping to make some extra cash. And guess what? You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to join the fun. With a little know-how, anyone can dip their toes into the exciting world of Forex. So, buckle up, grab your imaginary passport, and let's explore this fascinating financial adventure together. Remember when you traveled to a different country and had to exchange your money? That's a bit like Forex. You're essentially swapping one currency for another, hoping to get a good deal. Let's say you're going to Europe. You exchange your dollars for euros. Now, imagine the euro gets stronger against the dollar. When you exchange back, you get more dollars. That's a profit, just like in Forex. Of course, it works both ways. If the euro weakens, you might get fewer dollars back. That's the risk in Forex. It's about making smart trades and trying to predict which currencies will rise or fall. But hey, isn't a little risk part of the fun? Think of it as a financial roller coaster ride. Think global, think big. The Forex market is massive. It's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. We're talking trillions of dollars changing hands every single day. It's like a giant ocean of money, constantly flowing around the globe. And the best part? It's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. That's right, Forex never sleeps. Whether it's Tokyo, London, or New York, there's always someone buying or selling currencies. It's this global nature that makes Forex so exciting and dynamic. It's a true testament to the interconnectedness of our world. So, if you're looking for a market with endless opportunities, Forex is the place to be. Section 4. Why trade Forex? Let's talk profits, baby. Now, the million-dollar question, why trade Forex? Well, the answer is simple. Profit potential. Remember those euros we talked about? Imagine you bought them cheap and sold them high. That's how Forex traders make money. They buy currencies they believe will go up in value and sell them for a profit. Of course, it's not always easy. Like any investment, Forex comes with risks. But with the right knowledge and strategy, you can potentially earn a significant return on your investment. Plus, Forex is highly accessible. You don't need a fortune to get started. With online platforms, even small investors can participate in this exciting market. Section 5. Pips, leverage, and making sense of Forex lingo. Okay, let's decode some Forex lingo. You'll often hear terms like pips and leverage. Don't worry, they're not as scary as they sound. A pip is simply the smallest price movement a currency pair can make. It's like the tiny tick marks on a ruler. Leverage is like borrowing money from your broker to trade with more capital. It can amplify your profits, but also your losses. It's like using a megaphone for your trades. Understanding these basic terms is crucial for navigating the Forex world. Think of them as your secret decoder ring to unlock the mysteries of currency trading. Section 6. Ready to dive in? Your Forex adventure starts now. So, there you have it. Forex might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite simple once you get the hang of it. It's like learning a new language or trying a new sport. It takes practice, patience, and a thirst for knowledge. The good news is, there are tons of resources available to help you on your Forex journey. From online courses to educational websites, you'll find everything you need to become a savvy Forex trader. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge and embark on your Forex adventure today. You never know, you might just discover your hidden talent for currency trading.